Hey guys, so the OnePlus 8 is coming next month. We heard rumors, we saw leaks, we have the full spec sheet, and now we all are waiting for OnePlus to announce the flagship Beast 8 Pro and the mid-ranger 8 Lite. This right here is your live look to the rear design of the OnePlus 8 Pro, and this is something quite different from the 7 Pro and the 70 Pro. We are having 4 cameras on back. You can clearly see there's some sort of vertical line which is having some sensors. There's LED flash and OnePlus branding. Looking to the bottom, there's written OnePlus 5G, and there are some instructions in Chinese for eSIM and NFC. So this is it. This is the final look at the OnePlus 8 Pro. The front is gonna look like the OnePlus 7 Pro but with a dot hole for selfie shooter. We have also seen the OnePlus 8 Lite in live images. It has the rectangular camera setup like S20, triple cameras, and has center punch hole with flat screen. Guys, some official information from the boss himself. Pete Lau says next few months we cannot hold a large offline conference, and that's due to coronavirus. He says comment some creative ideas for online launch. So again, you have the official information from CEO himself that the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro is coming next month. Well, that's only for China. For global launch, OnePlus official gave this information. Reports of cancelling an offline launch event due to coronavirus are false. OnePlus has history of hosting online and offline events globally. So for China, there's gonna be an online event, while globally there's gonna be an offline event. Next official information came when a user replied to Pete that we want to see a smartphone with iPhone-like design and Samsung screen. Pete Lau replied that the next OnePlus smartphone with 120Hz display is gonna set a new benchmark. So OnePlus is betting big on the OnePlus 8 Pro. Wireless charging, IP68 certification, 120Hz, 1440p display, Samsung's panel, 64 megapixel Sony camera and whatnot. Your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.